Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Scope Markets. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Scope Markets is an FSC-regulated Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 1997 as a global provider of online trading services. They offer institutional and retail trading services to businesses and traders worldwide, and they are also a great option for first-time traders who are looking for a trustworthy broker that provides the educational materials and support beginners need. All Scope Markets clients have the advantage of trading with incredibly tight spreads, and no commission fees are charged on their trades. As a client, you will be able to trade a variety of Forex pairs, indices, metals, energies, and shares on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms. As a regulated broker that has been around for more than 20 years, you can rest assured that your investments are in good hands with Scope Markets. Scope Markets offers a user-friendly website, and all information regarding platforms, partnerships, trading conditions, and products are displayed on the homepage. If you are looking for more specific information, you can use the menu bar to conveniently navigate the website. To find out more about the products and instruments you can trade with Scope Markets, you can either scroll down the homepage to the Products section or click on the Markets tab and select the instrument you are interested in trading. Scope Markets currently offers a 50% welcome deposit bonus of up to $50,000 or even up to $100,000. As a Scope Markets client, you will be able to use your account to trade on the MetaTrader platforms. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world today. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010. These platforms are renowned for their advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and much more. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, 30 built-in indicators, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, suggested trading strategies, and more. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, basic tools for graphic analysis, fundamental analysis, and more. These are beginner-friendly platforms that are also suitable for professional traders who are looking for more advanced trading tools and features. If you have never used the MetaTrader platforms before, you will be able to find some tutorials on the Scope Markets website, and there are plenty of guides available online. The Scope Markets One account is a combination of all the accounts they previously offered. This account is suitable for all types of traders and all levels of experience, and it can also be used as a demo account if you would like to test new strategies, or if you are a beginner and you are not ready to deposit any real money just yet. The One account requires an initial minimum deposit of $100, and you can fund your account with US dollars, euros, or Great British pounds. This is a commission-free account that offers spreads starting as low as 0.9 pips, and you can leverage your trades by up to 500 times your initial deposit amount. The One account can be used on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, and it comes with a free premium signals package, a dedicated account manager, personalized support, and access to premium educational content. You can make unlimited withdrawals on this account, and there are several flexible secure payment methods that you can use to fund your account. Should you choose to open a demo account, you will have access to all the tools and features that come with the MetaTrader platforms and all tradable instruments. but you will be using virtual funds, and there are no risks involved with using a demo account. You can open an account with Scope Markets in a few simple steps. Firstly, launch the Scope Markets homepage, and then click on the Login button or the Start Trading Now button. Select your country of residence and complete the online application form. Then you will want to log in to the Scope Markets client portal. After you have logged in, verify your account and email address. And once your account is approved, you can fund your account and simply start trading. After your account is set up and verified, and you are logged into your client portal, the next step would be to download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. After you have downloaded and installed the platform, simply log in with the credentials provided. And just like that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with Scope Markets. In the center you have your graph, on the left your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and the MetaTrader platforms, Scope Markets provides a variety of MetaTrader platform tutorial videos to help you get started. With regards to educational resources, Scope Markets is a beginner-friendly broker, and you can use their educational materials along with your risk-free demo account. They provide plenty of helpful video tutorials, as well as beginners trading courses and advanced lessons. There are also several in-depth ebooks that you can download to learn more about topics such as trading psychology, technical analysis, advanced strategies, and more. Scope Markets also provides an economic calendar and 4 different calculators to calculate pips, margins, swaps, and profits. Scope Markets also provides their very own blog, which includes a variety of trading written content for you to browse through at any time you like. Over the years this broker has been in operation, they have received multiple awards for their services in financial trading. Some of their more recent awards include being the Best Forex Broker in 2020, offering the Best Customer Support in 2020, and having the Best Mobile Application in 2020, awarded by the World Forex Award. Overall, we recommend Scope Markets for all kinds of traders, from beginners who have never traded before, to experts and institutional traders who are looking for competitive trading conditions and advanced tools to take their trading to the next level. This award-winning broker has 20 years of industry experience, and as their client, you will always have the advantage of ultra-tight spreads, commission-free trading, and high-quality customer support. If you are interested, be sure to open your Scope Markets account today and claim your 50% deposit bonus. And that is our overview of Scope Markets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. And let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.